I congratulate you on bringing digital connectivity from the ministerial benches to the front bench. I have a kind offer to make to you to mark your new role in the Cabinet, and that is to use the Isle of Anglesey as a test bed for the development of 5G technology. People who know far more than me about digital connectivity tell me that actually, in terms of geography, in terms of military presence, the fact that it's relatively flat, plus with the mountains nearby, actually Anglesey would be a very good place to develop 5G technology. There's some good work going on at Bangor University as well in this field. I would be more than happy to facilitate in any way I can to make presentations to government on how this could happen, but I would welcome at this stage at least a nod from government that they are keen to look at testbed areas in Wales that could include, and should indeed include, the Isle of Anglesey. Yes, well, we're very keen to support the development of 5G testbeds right across Wales, and certainly I'm very happy to come and look at with the member at the possibilities in Anglesey. We are currently looking at a couple of testbeds already. We've appointed Innovation Point to advise, stimulate and coordinate activity on 5G in Wales, including opportunities to secure funding from the Testbed and Trials Fund, so we'll be looking into that very shortly. I mentioned Ebbw Vale and the Automotive Technology Park already. It's also the digital infrastructure proposal in Swansea Bay City region also focuses on investment in 5G technology and how applications through the City deal could support projects within the area. The Cardiff City deal is also looking at it. I would emphasise that it is important that the UK government actually develops the proposal in the right way. We're not expected to roll out 5G networks anywhere in the world until around 2020, so we have some time to make sure that happens. It is imperative, however, that the government doesn't do anything that's counter-indicative to it being a really good public infrastructure resource.